Hello and welcome to your 10th vocabulary lesson in this series. In this lesson, we will learn 20 new vocabulary words. We will use them in sentences too. There will also be some surprise questions to help you remember the words better. So get your pencil and notebook and let's get started. Here are your first 4 words. Benefit, image, guard, trouble. A benefit is a good thing. Benefit. The image of something is a picture of it. Image. To guard something is to take care of it. Guard. Trouble is a problem or a difficulty. Trouble. This is a very famous by the street artist Banksy. This is a very famous image. When your wife is mad, you know you are in You know you are in trouble. Dun dun dun. Exercise has many for your body, so it is important. Exercise has many benefits. Don't worry, because the officer will from harm. Don't worry, because the officer will guard you from harm. Here are your next 4 words. Certain, immediate, grass, tail. If you are certain about something, you know it's true. Certain. If something is immediate, it happens quickly. Immediate. Grass is the green leaves that cover the ground. Grass. A tail is a part of an animal's body sticking out from its rear or back. Tail. The fox had a beautiful and fluffy The fox had a beautiful and fluffy tail. When you ask a question, you want to answer. When you ask a question, you want a certain answer. In an accident, the airbag opens. In an accident, the airbag immediately opens. I love walking on the with no shoes on. I love walking on the grass with no shoes on. Here are your next 4 words. Chance, primary, function, sight. A chance is an opportunity to do something. Chance. If something is primary, it is the most important thing. Primary. The function of something is what it does. Function. A site is a place. Sight. Your school education is one of the most important in life. Your primary school education. It's super important. It is interesting to see how an engine inside. It is interesting to see how an engine functions inside. It is kind of neat. There are many amazing historic all over the world. There are many amazing historic sites all over the world. There is a 50% when you flip a coin. There is a 50% chance when you flip a coin. Here are your next 4 words. Effect, proud, focus, separate. An effect is a change made by something else. Effect. If someone feels proud, they are happy about what they have done. Proud. To focus on something is to think about it and pay attention to it. Focus. If 2 things are separate, they are not together. Separate. The couple were so mad at each other that they separated. Getting the highest grade on the test made him so Getting the highest grade on the test made him so proud. It took so much for the man to relax after the stressful day. It took so much focus for the man to relax after the stressful day. When the bubblegum got too big, it exploded. When the bubblegum got too big, the effect was it exploded. Here are your next 4 words. Essential, far, remain, rest. If something is essential, it is very important. Essential. If something is far, it is not close. Far. To remain somewhere is to stay there. Remain. To rest is to stop being active while the body gets back its strength. Rest. Every day, the woman had to walk very to the market. Every day, the woman had to walk very far to the market. The old dog needs lots of every day. The old dog needs lots of rest every day. A winter jacket is to survive the freezing cold. A winter jacket is essential to survive the freezing cold. Very essential. When you have the flu, it is important to in bed. When you have the flu, it is important to remain in bed. Don't get out, just lay there. Choose the right answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. It is very important that you call your mother soon. Essential. The good thing about being old is that you know many things. Benefit. I have problems with my science homework. Trouble. I am sure that she will come to this party. Certain. The job of the stove is to cook. Function. That is the place where they met. Sight. I saw his picture on TV. Image. Choose the best answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. Every year for my birthday, I return to the site of my birth. Believe her because she's certain of the facts. My new watch is great. It has many functions. I was afraid because I thought of a scary image of a snake. Eat many fruits because they are essential for good health. Great job today. I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.